how to subscribe to public calendars or holidays in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to subscribe to public calendars and holidays in Google Calendar. In order to do this procedure, you'll have to go ahead and open up a browser, and when you open up a browser on the web address bar, go ahead and type in calendar.google.com. That's going to take you to this calendar page or the Google Calendar, and this is basically how it's gonna look like. So right on this page, go ahead and tap the gear icon from the top right hand side corner and then go to settings from the drop down menu. While you're on this page, from the left hand side bar, you can go ahead and tap the general button and then go to add calendar. As you click on add calendar, you can need to go ahead and select a browse calendar of interest. When you do that, under regional holidays in the right hand side bar, you need to go ahead and click on browse all, select the holidays accordingly. That's basically how you can subscribe to public calendars or holidays in Google Calendar. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.